Congratulations, you received your Velamobile. You took it out of the crate, and the first thing is to do, put air in the tires. We cannot ship them with air in the tires. If you have an air suspension, this little guy in the rear, we also have to let the air out of this one. So it's very important to check also the air pressure of this one. Because if you would drive with it empty, there comes a very big shock on the composite parts and they have chance of breaking. So check the pressure, it needs to be like 5 bars. They are allowed to put 8 bar, and I will show you where you can find the ventil to put air in the air bump or air suspension. So you have to take all this out, and here, as you can see, there's a little ventil. This one you open and you put the normal, you can put the normal air, a normal pump on it. I have here a more special pump for it, but you can do it with a normal one, and you put in 5-6 bar. The pressure you put in the air suspension depends a bit on your weight. So if you're a bit heavy, you can have to put some more in. Also depends on how comfortable you want to drive, but make sure you put enough pressure in it. So if you drive through a pothole, there's not a complete compression, because if there's a complete compression like this, there comes so much pressure on the carbon fiber parts, it will break. So make sure that doesn't happen, and there you have to bit fiddle out how much pressure you put in. Of course, check also other things. There is a manual how to check everything of your Velamobile before you come and ride. There's a manual on the internet, on our website. A check manual, and there's an instruction manual how to ride. Have fun.